Flowering lawns for both sides of garden paths, in the middle of the stone crack. It can also be used as a filling in the middle of flowers. No matter how it is matched, can present good results. If you want a low-maintenance model, essential plants with long flowering periods, you can consider this one. Hardy and heat-resistant carnation. Summer is not afraid of heat. All yang and half yin can grow normally. Cold-resistant in winter. Low temperatures in the low 20s. At -15 degrees. It's always green. You can see it blooming sporadically in the snow. The most important thing is that the flowering period is at least 200 days. When it blooms, its fragrance fills the air. Look at these delicate little flowers. Look from a distance, like a pink carpet. Don't be too dense when picking it. The distance between each basin is about 10 centimeters. It won't be long. It can cover you with a field, because it is creeping. The height is only about 10 centimeters. It's stampede resistant. No pests and diseases. It's drought tolerant. You don't need to take care of it at ordinary times, when watering other flowers and green plants. Just pour it, by the way, because its roots are afraid of water accumulation. Early spring and March are the stages when it buds and blooms. This time, if you give it a little potassium dihydrogen phosphate, it's going to cost an awful lot. A particularly easy to raise flower, proper lazy plant. It's perennial. Planting will surprise you every year. Not only does it have a long flowering period, good reblooming, the appearance is still very high. A particularly fresh flower, the breed Utopia. It's the flowering model of clematis. It's like a juice balcony in a rose, the kind that blooms with life. This one is cheap. Take it off the basin and see. How is this root system? Not bad. Although this seedling is not big, but this root system is very good. Newbie, who has never raised clematis, recommend this Utopia. It is an F-series tertiary iron. Take care of it. Leave about 15 centimeters in winter. Just cut off the upper part. It's the same climbing vine. Clematis are more suitable for balcony raising than roses, because it has better negative resistance. The lighting requirements are not very high. Clematis likes loose, breathable, well-drained soil. It's a fleshy root, afraid of stagnant water. What I have prepared here is coarse-grained coal soil, pastoral, earth, river, sand. And this, most important of all, the rice husk charcoal. The advantage of adding rice husk charcoal is, can provide potassium at the same time. It can also effectively prevent the occurrence of clematis' blight. Clematis are known to be free of pests and diseases. Only this blight is the most troublesome. As long as it's infected, there's no cure. So we must take precautions. You can also buy clematis special soil. It's more convenient. Pull the root. This will better integrate with the soil. Put it in and fill it with soil. We will fill this soil higher. Bury a node. This can also effectively prevent internal blight. Put it in a cool and ventilated place after changing the basin. Water it well and slow the seedlings.